Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to convert a PDF to JPEG in Google Drive. So right click on your PDF, go over to Open With and connect more apps. Then in the search bar type PDF to JPEG. Then click on this and select this first icon. Press this blue install button and then press continue. It will open up this new window and you have to select your account and continue again. Then check this box, select all, scroll all the way down and click continue. Now the add-on will install on your Google Drive and you should be able then click done, unselect this box and press OK. Close this window and right click on your PDF again and click on Open With. And now PDF to JPEG. This will open up a new tab and it should upload your file automatically. As you can see, it is right here. So scroll down and select a target folder to save from your Google Drive. Click on that. Then it will load your drive, select the folder, click on select, and then create an image from this file. Click this big button. It should create the image and then it will give you option to view, download or save to drive. So choose whatever you want. I want to save to drive. So it will save it to drive, and as you can see it is completed now. So I can go back to my drive, go over to my drive, and then it should appear right here in this folder. It is a zip. So when I open it, here is every JPEG from this PDF. And if I download it, I can even view it. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.